Hello everyone. In our previous sessions, we have configured MongoDB on our virtual machines, which is similar to configuring MongoDB on on-premise servers. But we know that nowadays many of the organizations are moving their database and applications to cloud. So we will see what are the solutions by which we can run MongoDB on cloud. There are two options by which we can run MongoDB on cloud. The first one is that running MongoDB on the virtual machines provided by the cloud vendors. For example, running MongoDB on Amazon EC2. The other option is that running MongoDB as a database service. For example, MongoDB Atlas. We will see examples for both this in our practical sessions. The first one is at MongoDB on EC2. This is similar to running MongoDB on on-premise server. We can run both Community Edition and Enterprise Editions on MongoDB on EC2. And also we can create standalone servers, replica set servers, and sharded configurations on MongoDB on EC2. The other option is that MongoDB Atlas, which is a database service solution from MongoDB. It provides a single interface to create MongoDB on AWS, Azure, and Google public cloud, which means while you create a MongoDB database on Atlas, you have the option to select the cloud vendor which you want. So you can select either AWS or Azure or Google public cloud. You can create standalone, replica set, and sharded configurations on MongoDB Atlas. And MongoDB Atlas provides both free tier as well as the paid solution. On free tier, you can create your development or testing databases that has the size limitations. And if you are want to go ahead with the paid solution, then MongoDB provides different paid solutions and you can select as per your requirement. I hope this session is clear, and in the next session we will be learning how to configure MongoDB on AWS EC2 instance. Till then, take care. I'll catch you guys in the next session.